Hi, this is Max's German car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. I will meet or beat any eBay price with the exact same item with shipping posted before this video. 2005 Audi A4 18T, driver's side visor with garage door opener, $35. 2005 Audi A4 18T, driver's side visor with the control unit for opening your garage door for $35. In good shape. The glass is good. $35. 2005 Audi A4, driver's side visor with garage door opener for $35. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxsgermancar.com, which I'm fixing right now, or you can try me at mechanicalmommy.com, or my YouTube channel, the Max Breakman channel. I will meet or beat any eBay price for the exact same item with shipping posted before this video. 2005 Audi A4 18T, driver's side visor with garage door control unit for $35. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. 2005 Audi A4 18T, driver's side visor with garage door control unit in gray for $35. $35. 310-804-4185. Thank you very much.